Hello everyone, you all are welcome in this today's video. So today we are here to discuss the details about such an amazing earning opportunity where you can trade and that too with 100% profit. Yes, now that's possible with RPX, the official website of which is www.rpx.world. So at RPX, the platform provides forward-thinking trading opportunities. This platform specializes in dynamic world of forex where you can earn with 100% profit opportunity. To start with, you can start your earning journey with as minimum as $10 of investment and there's no maximum limit for that. Now, once you have decided the amount with which you are going to start your earning journey, you will get the multiple income benefits in the form of self-trading profit, direct account profit share income, and in the form of team account trading income. One by one, we will be discussing them all in detail. To start with, if we talk about the self-trading profit first, so whatever is the amount with which you have done your investment, on that you are going to earn 1% per day as self-trading profit. So you can get an easy idea that if your investment amount is bigger, then your self-trading profit will be that bigger. And this benefit will be provided to you on weekdays, that is from Monday to Friday. Moving ahead, if we talk about the direct account profit, so here whenever you are directly referring any person, from each of them you are going to get 10% as direct account profit, and there's no limitations. You can do as many directs as you want to get the unlimited benefit. Third income comes over here in the form of account profit share income. You are going to get this from a total of 15 levels, where from level 1 you will earn 10% of income where you don't have to fulfill any criteria. From level 2 you will earn 5% as your income benefit. From level 3 you will earn 2.5% benefit. From level 4 1.5%. From level 5 1%. But before we move ahead, let me clarify here that to unlock level 3, 4 and 5, you need to complete a collective direct business of $500. Then moving towards level 6, you will get 1% of benefit from here. From level 7 and 8, 0.75% from each level. From level 9 and 10, 0.50% from each level. And from level 11 to 15, you will get 0.25% of income from each level. Now, as I have already told you, if you want to unlock level 3, 4 and 5, for that you need a collective direct business of $500. To unlock the levels from 6 to 10, you need to do a total direct business of $1,000. And from level 11 to 15, if you want to unlock these levels, then with a direct business of $1,500, you can unlock them. Now, finally, we talk about the team account trading profit you can get from here. So basically, this team account trading income will be provided to you on the basis of some criteria. Here you can see the details has been given on your screen. So if you have completed a direct business of $300 and a team business of $3,000, where $1,500 will be counted from the stronger leg and $1,500 from other leg, then your income would be $5 per day, which you will get till 60 days, and your total income benefit will be $300. Similarly, on completion of direct business of $500 and a team business of $7,000, which will be again counted 50% from the stronger leg and 50% from the other leg, then your per day income will be $10, which again you will get for 60 days, and your total income benefit will be $600. On the completion of $700 of direct business and a team business of $14,000, which will again be counted in the same ratio, your per day income would be $25, which you will get for 60 days, and your total income will be $1,500. Similarly, you can see as the direct business and team business criteria keeps on increasing, your benefit gets even more amazing. Directly, we talk about the last criteria. So, at last, if you are able to complete the direct business of $8,000 and if a team business of $20 lakh has been completed from your complete team, then your per day income will be $2,500, and that you are not going to get for a certain time, but you are going to get it for lifetime. So these are some most amazing benefits you can gather from here, where the RPX official address is located in Los Angeles. And the platform is working as per a predetermined roadmap, so without any confusion, the opportunities and the activities will be going on smoothly. They are planning their brokerage house in the year 2026, 2027. And along with that, the platform has many other advantages. Like they are already working on the upcoming new and advanced technologies. Like this platform is 100% secure, trusted. It can be easily used by anyone. You will get the best services, bigger earnings, bigger returns, very affordable joining because you get the choice to choose your own starting amount. Withdrawal is available on weekly basis and 24/7 customer support will be provided to you to clear any kind of queries you have. So basically, once you have earned up to 3x times of benefit through your working and non-working, then after that you can retop up your account. Finally, we talk about some terms and conditions. So minimum withdrawal can be done of $10. Principal amount will remain stake for 15 months and there will be no charges for withdrawing the principal after 15 months. You can easily do that. In working income, trading income will be withdrawn every Friday and will arrive in the wallet within 24 hours. After earning 3x times of benefit, you can retop up your account and income withdrawal charges are 10%. So likewise, these were the complete details of RPX. In order to get the regular updates of which you can keep connected on social media platforms, for which the links will be provided in the description box. And for more details, you can visit www.rpx.world. Thank you.